Number 1. Peyto Lake, Canada. Peyto Lake is the most famous lake in Banff National Park you may have heard of. Its turquoise blue glacier-fed lake, 40 km north of Lake Louise, and a popular stop on the famous Icefields Parkway. The brilliant display of blue is fed by the Peyto Glacier high above the lake and parts of the Wapta Icefield. Number 2. Maru Island, Maldives. This tropical paradise located in the Maldives was one of the most eye-catching destinations according to the research, and it's easy to see why. With its clear blue water and bright white sands, it really is a dreamy destination for those looking to escape to somewhere beautiful, as Maru is only accessible by boat. The small island features a luxurious resort with beach and water villas for visitors to unwind and experience the trip of a lifetime. Number 3. Lake Tekapo, New Zealand. If you are looking for postcard perfect image during your time in New Zealand, look no further than Lake Tekapo. Nestled in the heart of the Mackenzie country, Lake Tekapo is not only one of the most scenic landscapes in the country, but it also provides hydroelectrical energy to the neighboring towns. Explore the town that faces the turquoise lake and enjoy the snow-capped mountain backdrop until the sun goes down to marvel at the star-filled sky. Number 4. Niagara Falls, Canada, USA. The most famous falls mark the border between Canada and USA. The natural water is made of 3 falls that are sprawled in the Canadian and American territories. The waterfall attracts millions of tourists every year. It also serves as a source of hydroelectric power due to the incredible volume of water that drops with immense power. During a warm season, Niagara Falls is often visited in the evenings since it is illuminated and fascinates with a show of colors. During this especially cold season this year, though it got half frozen and visitors could admire the amazing ice structures. Number 5. Snowdon Wales. Snowdon is the highest mountain in Wales, standing at 3,560 feet above sea level. The mountain and the area surrounding it has been protected as Snowdonia National Park and as a national nature reserve to conserve its native plants and animal species. The mountain is generally covered in snow during large parts of the year. Climate change, however, has affected the amount of snowfall in this area. In 2004, for example, the mountain saw 55% less snow than in 1994. Number 6. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, Philippines. One of the world's new 7 wonders of nature, the Puerto Princesa Underground River is located in a protected national park in Palawan, about 50 miles north of Puerto Princesa City in the Philippines. The national park has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and contains the world's most amazing limestone karst landscapes, which includes an 8-kilometer underground river and cave system that opens directly into the sea. For the adventure of your life, you can go on an escorted underground river tour which will take you deep inside the cave system. Some tours offer an optional zip-line experience after your underground river tour. Number 7. Marble Caves, Chile. Located in Patagonia on Lake General Carrera, Chile's marble caves, also known as the Marble Cathedral, were created more than 6,000 years ago by waves that eroded the rocks. The caverns' stunning colors vary as water levels fluctuate throughout the year. Number 8. El Yunque National Forest, Puerto Rico. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest Service, and its name is a reference to Yunque, what the indigenous Taino people define as white lands. With an average rainfall of 120 inches a year, El Yunque has a very diverse ecosystem, hosting hundreds of unique plants and animal species, including the island's famous coffee frog. Number 9. Aurora Borealis, Iceland. Just as there is a natural wonder below sea level, there is also one above it, in the sky. The Northern Lights, more scientifically called the Aurora Borealis, is a natural phenomenon which marks the 7th natural wonder of the world. The aurora appears as a light show of beautiful dancing colors, usually greens, blue, and purples, when electrically charged particles caused by sun flares or extreme sun activity reach the gaseous particles found in the Earth's atmosphere. The result is a moving and striking rainbow of moving color that has to be seen to be truly taken in. This is a natural wonder as it is a striking example of how a naturally occurring phenomenon such as a sun flare can result in a beautiful event on Earth. Number 10. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Iguazu Falls are without doubt one of the world's most impressive natural wonders, located on the border between Brazil and Argentina. The impressive waterfalls span an awesome 1.7-mile width broken up by several islands, which causes the mighty curtain of water to separate into hundreds of individual waterfalls and cataracts, which vary in height between 170 and 260 feet. The waterfalls are shared between Iguazu National Park, Argentina, and Iguazu National Park in Brazil, both of which are designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 11. Lake Madison, New Zealand. With so many lakes to choose from, picking one for a list of natural wonders was not easy. In the end, it came down to this: not only is the rock itself a natural wonder, what is reflected in the lake is also one of New Zealand's natural wonders. On a clear day, Lake Madison offers up a perfect reflection of the magnificent Mount Cook as well as the Fox and Franz Joseph glaciers. Not too shabby for one little lake, it's a cracking little walk around the lake which will take you around an hour. Number 12. Tanga Bay, Thailand. Between Phuket Island and Krabi on Thailand's mainland is a remarkable 400 square kilometer inlet known as Tanga Bay, named after the indigenous people Pangan of the Malay Peninsula and its surrounding islands. The province of Tanga is rich with stories of pirates, sea gypsies, and Malay fishermen dating back hundreds of years. Many people of Panga still maintain the humble, traditional way of life of their forefathers, pulling fresh lobsters from the sea to sell in Phuket, whilst others have embraced this area's growing tourist trade and now works as guides. While Tanga Bay is rich in folklore, it is most widely famed for the hauntingly beautiful limestone cars that just out of the sea, many resembling unfinished clay vessels upon a potter's wheel. These colorful islets, with their trophies of lush tropical vegetation, were carved out over millions of years and now host some of the world's most spectacular sea caves, along with number 13, Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon is Arizona's most well-known natural beauty, and for good reason. Between its immense size and breathtaking views, this natural phenomenon is a must-see. The canyon stretches on for 277 river miles and spans 18 miles from side to side. While the south rim is open all year round, the north rim is open to visitors on a more seasonal basis. 14. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is renowned as the highest peak on Earth at 8,848.86 meters above sea level. It is parked right on the border between Nepal and Tibet, and it is protected by Sagarmatha National Park in the Himalayas. 15. Zhangjiajie. The world's highest class skywalk in Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in the Tianmen. Zhangjiajie is one of the most naturally beautiful places and famous for its scenic sights of Yuan, which place is a UNESCO Heritage Site. Forest Park of Zhangjiajie is also bear the status of being the first national park of China. Tianmen Heaven's Gate mountain range blesses this place with the bounty of nature. This place is already famous for the Bailong Great Elevator is now going to set another record by building the glass plank road on the highest altitude. The amazing glass trail is already constructed and open for the visitors. Thank you guys. See you on my next videos. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.